Okay, so basically the Caravan has got a current discharge. Something in the Caravan is using electricity, and over winter the battery's been going flat. So even though everything inside the Caravan is switched off, we're going to just try and measure how much current the battery is using at the moment. So if we disconnect the positive terminal of the battery, and this is a typical multimeter. So normally when you're reading voltage, you'd have it set up like that. So you have the sort of negative goes into the COM there, and positive goes into the voltage reading. But because I want to read current, you turn the multimeter around to the current reading there, and we're then going to move the connection switches over like that. So one of them is connected into the 10 amp DC. And the way you measure current flow through a multimeter is the sort of red and black wires don't really apply, because we're going to measure the electricity is going to come down this wire through the multimeter, back along the red wire and into the Caravan. So if I just clamp these back on again. I'm going to clamp that onto here. So you can see, though, even though everything is switched off in the Caravan, we've got a 0.02 amp draw from something, which I suspect is charging the battery for the alarm system, or maybe it's the alarm or something. So over several weeks that's going to discharge the battery. There's another way of measuring current, which I'll just show you now. So if we disconnect all that, I'm going to pop that connection back onto there. If I just go and grab another tool. So this is a different type of current meter. So this is a CT clamp, handheld CT clamp. So I can use this to see how much current is going through these positive cables. So I've actually got two positive cables coming off the battery. There's a reset function there. This measures DC current. So I have actually got an option there to select between AC current or DC current. If you have an AC current clamp meter, it won't measure DC current, it'll give completely the wrong reading, so you've got to make sure you've got the right type. This is the reset button, resets the current to 0 on the meter. So if I see what that cable there is not actually drawing anything, so the current must be going through the other one, which it is there. You can just about see 0.02 amps. This current, the magnetic field around the cable is actually so small that it's difficult to read on this CT clamp meter, which is actually why the other method that showed you is slightly more accurate, but it is just about reading 0.02 amps there.